Turn around. Hands behind your back.
No.
Do not resist. Do not resist.
No.
Do not resist.
No.
Don't resist.
So hold on. Wait a second. Can you please hold us? Can you hold on a second, please?
15 or security?
Please, can you hold on a second? No.
Stop moving. We're trying to lock the cuffs so they don't get
Can you
tighter.
hold on a second, please?
You gotta wait a second.
No.
We'll put her in my car for now.
No.
Ma'am?
No. You cannot do this, please. No.
Yeah, that's not for you. Secure right now.
Can you hold on a second, please?
Have a seat.
No.
Make sure she doesn't have anything on her.
Can you hold on a second?
Van or what was it?
It's a SUV. It's an ML350. And we're making an illegal left-hand turn here. He's pulling into a parking. No, he's not. He's still driving. He's probably seeing if I'm following him. We're passing Chico's again. We just made a loop around. And they just came to a stop. And
In front of what business?
Chico's. He's just sitting there. He's got his.
And that's a nail place, right?
No, it's a clothing place.
Clothing store.
Yep. And now he's trying to back up. Don't fucking hit me, motherfucker! You just hit me.
Hit the complainant.
And now they're driving away.
No, he did hit him. It's a signal 4 now.
He hit me and he's trying to drive away. So now we're stopped here by the side of Panera Bread and Lychee.
Okay. Can you repeat the tag one more time since you're behind him right now? Because it did not come back.
Apple. Popo just pulled up. Never mind. There we go. Looks like they're going to try to run. They're running. Hold on. They're running. Nope, not yet.
Okay. Try and give me the tag before anything else happens.
Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car. Put the car in park and get out of the car.
Heard you the first time.
Get out, please.
Sure, Michigan tags on the Mercedes.
Oh no.
Put the car in park. Put the car in park. How do you put the car in park?
Oh really?
How do you put the car in park?
That's it.
All right, get out of the car for me. Stand over here. Stand back here. You do realize you just hit a car, right? Are you okay?
No.
Okay, what's going on?
I'm trying to get my mom's food back to her place.
Okay.
Oh my god. Okay.
Where does she live?
Just over there.
Give me an address.
Can I sit down for a second?
You're fine here.
No, you got me like.
No,
Okay,
you're not going back in the car.
I mean, we see that you have an open container in the car.
You show signs of impairment, so
No.
we got a call about you swerving out of your lane of travel, almost hitting cars, and then this vehicle here, you backed into it. What's with that?
Oh my god. Please, God, don't do this to me.
Well, I'm not God, but
I know you're not God, but my mom is 82 years old, and I'm trying to just like enjoy my life with her.
I understand that, but
Over by the Publix or by?
Oh god.
We are on the north side of Panera.
how
This
many
officer is talking to you.
how many of those Trulies have you had?
One.
Just one.
One. Yeah. One. Yeah. Please,
Okay.
God.
Have you had anything else?
No, I haven't.
Okay.
Oh my god.
Do you
Please.
take any sort of medications?
I have, no. It's like non-existent. It's like a GERD thing, so
Okay.
it's no big deal.
Do you have anything else wrong with you as far as medical history goes? Any surgeries you've ever had? Disabilities? No?
Please, I can't have this happen.
All right.
Oh my God! Look at this. This is crazy. Why do we have so many
Can we check to make sure you don't have any damage to your car?
I'm fine.
Well, I want to check to make sure there's no damage.
No. I'm good.
Well, you don't call the shots here, okay? I'm just trying to be nice.
No, I don't have any. I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay.
Oh my God!
Well, like I said,
I gotta go home to my mom.
Can you listen to me? We got a call about you driving erratic. People were concerned because you almost hit other vehicles. On top of that, you pulled into here and you started backing up, hitting that Jeep right there.
Well, because it was a one-way street. That's why.
So why would you be backing up?
Because it was a one-way street. I'm like, I have to do something different.
This isn't a one-way street. You can have two vehicles through here.
Oh my God. I can't have this happen.
Right.
My mom is 82 years old.
Do not reach over to me.
No, my mom is 82 years old. I can't have this happen, please.
Okay, ma'am, that is besides the point. I mean, you literally just hit a car and you have alcohol in your vehicle.
I did not hit a car.
You
All
did. Right. We're telling you that you did.
Well, to dispel any of that suspicion of you not being able to use your motor vehicle, I'm going to do some field sobriety exercises on you, okay? No, you're not going anywhere. You're not going anywhere. Do not walk away from me.
I have to call my mom.
Well, you can call her afterwards.
No, I have to call my mom.
You can call her afterwards.
Please, I have to call my mom.
Not right now. I will give you the opportunity to call her, but right now we're having
No.
We're talking to you, okay?
No.
Can you check if the caller wants 1025?
No. I have to call my mom.
Is this vehicle registered to you?
Okay, you're not getting in your car right now. That's why I'm standing right here. What is it that you need?
I just want to get in and call my mom.
You're not calling your mom right now, like we've told you 3 times.
Please do.
You can call your mom in a little bit.
This cannot happen. No, this cannot happen. My mom is 82 years old. I'm here to celebrate her life.
Okay, do you realize what's happening right now?
Yes, I
You
do.
have to deal with this before you can talk to your mom. You have hit a vehicle and you have
I didn't hit a
alcohol
vehicle.
in your car.
I did not hit a
Okay,
vehicle.
it's not up for discussion. You
Hold
did
on.
hit a vehicle is what we're telling you.
So wait a second. Whose vehicle did I hit?
I believe that white Jeep
that's right there. And you can't deny it because I literally pulled up and I saw you backing up, and then as soon as I turned my lights on, you started driving off, and then I had to tell you to stop, and you almost didn't stop.
I want to see it. Please.
Okay, you can see it because my camera
I would like to
captured
see
it all.
Please. Yeah.
But you're not seeing it right now. Right now, what I want to do is some field sobriety exercises on you. Now, if you deny that, I'm gonna have to base all of the circumstances up to this point right now to decide what I want to do. So I'm giving you that opportunity to dispel. No, don't
Who is the
don't
man
look.
in the Rubicon? Is he there?
Yeah, that's
he's
the
there.
vehicle that you hit.
Yes.
How did I hit him? Can I talk to him?
No.
Why can't I?
Because you're talking to me.
Why can't I talk to him?
Because you're talking to me.
I can talk to him.
Okay.
I have my
Whenever I
rights to
decide.
talk to him.
Whenever I decide.
I have my rights to talk to him. I do.
Okay.
I know my rights. I can talk
That's
to him.
great. We're doing a DUI
I
investigation
know.
right now.
No.
Yeah, we
I
are.
know that I can talk to him.
Yeah. Whenever I give you the opportunity to.
No.
As of right now, we're doing a DUI. Listen to me.
No. You are wrong.
I'm not.
can talk to him.
No.
Yes, I can.
No.
Yes, I can. Yes, I can.
Will you be doing these field sobriety exercises for me?
Can I talk to him?
Will you be doing these field
Can I
sobriety?
talk to him?
Will you be doing these?
Can I talk to him?
No.
Am I allowed to
No.
talk to him? Why not? Why not?
Because we are doing a DUI investigation.
No, I can talk to him.
Okay, we need you to answer a question
No,
first.
I am not.
If you're not answering this question, I'm going to take it as a refusal that you do not want to take these sobriety exercises.
Oh, don't do that.
I will.
No.
I will.
No,
and everything
no.
is captured on camera, so I don't care what you say.
Okay, ma'am, are you willing to do field sobriety exercises? That's what we need to
I
know.
want to talk to him.
You will. You will
You
have the
understand
opportunity,
that?
but not right now.
I want to talk to him.
Okay.
I do want to talk to him.
Okay, ma'am.
Why can't I talk to him? Just call me
You
Lisa.
can talk to
Call
him.
me Lisa,
Okay,
please.
Lisa, can you listen to me for a second? We need you to answer a simple question. Are you willing to do these exercises or are you refusing?
I want to talk to him.
Once you answer this question,
Answer my question.
No, I can't. Without answering that question, I want to talk to him.
Okay.
The person. Oh my God. Oh, I know him. Interesting. Okay.
okay. Are you willing to provide these field sobriety exercises? Yes or no? Lisa, yes or no?
Why can't I talk to him?
Like I said, answer this question and
Why
then
can't I talk to him?
answer this question and then we'll continue with that.
Why can't I talk to him?
Because as of right now, I am talking to you.
Like we said, we'll handle that in a second, but we need you to answer a question before we can move forward.
Go ahead. Ask me the question again. I want to talk to him because I know him.
I need you to pay attention then, okay?
Yeah.
Are you willing to provide field sobriety exercises at this time? No?
No, I'm going to talk to him.
Okay. Alright, turn around. Hands behind your back.
No.
Do not
Don't
resist.
resist.
Do not resist.
No.
Do not resist.
No.
Nope.
So hold on. Wait a second. Can you please hold us? Can you hold on a second, please?
15 or security?
Please, can
Secured
you hold
for
on
now.
a second? No.
Stop moving. We're trying to lock the cuffs so they don't get
Can you
tighter.
hold on a second, please?
You gotta wait a second.
No.
We'll put her in my car for now.
No. Ma'am? No. You cannot do this, please. No.
Yeah, that's not for you. Secure right now.
Can you hold on a second, please?
Have a seat.
No.
You sure she doesn't have anything on her?
Can you hold on a second, please?
Alright, have a seat.
No.
Have a seat.
No.
Okay, you don't really have a choice, so take a seat, or we're gonna have you take a seat.
Hey, hold on. Can I ask you a question?
Have a seat.
Please. I'm not doing this. Come on. I'm not doing this.
You're going to jail tonight for DUI, okay?
No.
Lisa faced 3 charges: driving under the influence, resisting arrest without violence, and reckless driving as a first-time offense. In the end, the prosecutor dropped the resisting arrest and reckless driving charges, leaving only the DUI on the table. Lisa entered a plea of no contest to that charge and was found guilty. Her sentence included 30 days in jail, though she received credit for time she'd already served. On top of that, she was placed on probation for a year and had her driver's license suspended for 6 months. She also had to pay a series of fines and fees, complete a DUI education course, perform community service, and undergo testing and treatment for substance abuse.